AirPods, especially AirPods 2, started the TWS trend 2 years ago. And a lot of manufacturers are following. TWS earphones are now big market. But products are quite different from good and bad quality, while the Shenzhen solutions provide much close like AirPods. With a big lot of AirPods buyers coming, business in this looks quite in chaos. Not every AirPods looks like AirPods is worth buying. In today's video, CINO will tell you something deeper. According to Chip Solutions, the look like AirPods is listed in table. TWS industry is similar to smartphones, which is oriented from chip and solution providers. Geely, Aeroha and Qualcomm are popular chip solutions in it. But Aeroha 1536U chip is the most popular and stable among them. Qualcomm has few factories to follow. 1536U is almost 200% better than Geely on connection stability and audio quality. Some cheap chips may have incompatible issues other than stability or audio quality. While Aeroha 1536U comes with a pattern dual mode, it features high stability and less audio delay. Aeroha is very popular in TWS. So Aeroha 1536U is recommended, and here is why. Tear down the pod and we see 1536U chip. Printed model is AB 1536U. Geely chip. Printed with JL. Compared with Geely chip, 1536U is the latest upgraded chip, and comes with further enhancement. Aeroha brings MC Sync for TWS, cross-pairing with many OS, and similar to AirPods, each pod is able to pair each smart device, working independently. On the audio quality concerns, the speakers play a major role. Generally speaking, big speakers is a base to better audio quality tuning. If you are looking for better audio, Aeroha Pro is worth to recommend here. The chips work with different speakers. There are 3 major speaker dimensions: 14mm, 13mm and 10mm. Aeroha Pro supports up to 14mm, all speakers, while Aeroha and Geely only supports up to 13mm. AirPods is also using a 14mm speaker. So, Aeroha Pro with 14mm speaker is quite ideal choice then. Behind the automatic ear detection, Aeroha Pro solution embeds ambient sensor for it, which is the same idea as AirPods. While Aeroha and Geely use a touch sensor. Ambient sensor is more stable and sensitive than touch sensor. Some other pods on the market looks like it have no sensors inside, but just the sensor window from outside. Let us check every functions on Aeroha Pro pods. Open charging case and the AirPods windows pops on iPhone. Press hold back button to pair. Pairing is good. Battery indicator shows AirPods and charging case. Take out pods, and for remaining function tests, go to settings. Rename is OK, the same as AirPods. The same left, right setting menu. The automatic ear detection menu. The microphone menu. All the same as AirPods. Where are the pods? Tap twice on pods, and we have Siri. Then try some music playback. Pick any music app. The music is playing back. Take the right side pod out of ear. Playback is paused and then resumed. Take both pods out of ears. Playback stops. So the automatic ear detection works well. The pods integrate with Find My app in iOS. Click Find My app. Click the pods. The location is all detailed and OK. Next, for pods with two iOS devices. Firstly, pair the pods with iPhone. After the pairing, take out one pod and close the case. Then we have the one pod paired with the iPhone. Take an iPad and toggle on Bluetooth. Open charging case. Press hold the button to repair. The pairing is quick and good. Take out both pods. Now we have one pod paired with iPhone and the other with iPad. So we are able to use one pod with iPhone, and another pod on iPad, yes, independently. Same as AirPods. AirPods Pro Pods comes with wireless charging case. Recharge everywhere. Now, cosmetic checks on them. They look the same on front side. They look exactly the same on back. Almost same lightning charging port. Premium quality bearing is here, fit for daily use. Printing text service also supported. Check the weight of them. And only 4 grams difference. That's little on weight. Pops up charging case and check inside. Almost no difference. Look to bottom of the charging case. Almost same. Close check on front side and back. Same function area. With over 10 pieces of each. We had a full cosmetic, function and experience tests on all the pods above. Test results below. According to chip solution and other core materials difference, we here delivery the estimating costs to all three, as the above table.